Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce the Atlas MAX Poly. It's a real game changer, setting the new quality standard for high volume, on-demand, direct-to-garment polyester decoration. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips for leading great sales conversations about the Atlas MAX Poly with your prospects and customers. Before diving into our target customers and how the Atlas MAX Poly addresses their pain points, let's see how the Atlas MAX Poly is positioned versus the Avalanche Poly Pro. Without getting too deep into the technical details, remember that the Atlas MAX Poly was designed to overcome key issues we've experienced with the Avalanche Poly Pro. The main advancements include premium print quality compared to the Avalanche Poly Pro. The actual productivity is almost doubled with the Atlas MAX Poly, and dye migration is significantly improved thanks to a new set of consumables which were specifically developed to address this issue. When talking with customers about dye migration, tell them that the Atlas MAX Poly comes with a certified media library of the most popular activewear garments worldwide. The dozens of SKUs within the list can be used with no quality-related issues and specifically no dye migration. In addition, we provide customers with a certification protocol for any other garment. Let's take a moment to see who you should approach to offer the Atlas MAX Poly. This cutting-edge system is best suited for textile printers with a yearly production volume of over 200,000 garments, who are looking for top retail quality, high productivity, and innovative applications. It's important to note that if your customers don't reach this production volume per year, you should offer them the Avalanche Poly Pro rather than the Atlas MAX Poly. The Atlas MAX Poly is also a perfect fit for printers who currently produce for team sports and fanwear, or for printers who want to expand into any segment of the activewear market. In addition, the system is perfect for vertical sports brands that have in-house production for their fulfillers. When pitching the Atlas MAX Poly, make sure to present its unique value proposition, which consists of three main pillars that address our customers' most common pain points. These include quality, versatility, and cost-effectiveness. Let's review each of these in more detail. The first point to talk about with your customers is the game-changing quality. Atlas MAX Poly provides consistent top retail quality and durability on a wide range of polyester fabrics. With Kornit's unique printing process and dedicated consumables, we've resolved typical quality-related issues. Here, you should talk about how dye migration is inhibited by ProGuard, which acts as a blocker between the dye and the fabric. Also mention that the Poly Enhancer delivers supreme hand feel, and the Q-Fix Poly boosts print durability, preventing cracks and ghosting. Our second differentiator is versatility. Atlas MAX Poly offers complete freedom to print on any polyester-based fabrics, including mesh, brushed poly, 100%, and blends. In addition, it's the only system in the market that can print complex photorealistic and semi-graded images on dark polyester of any fabric type. Using the same system, customers can take on any type of polyester decoration jobs. This may sound trivial, but decorating polyester is tricky, so enabling the high-quality decoration of any fabric is a big leap forward and a strong competitive advantage in terms of customers' offerings and value for money. Compared to other DTG systems in the market, it offers superior color matching and a wider gamut, and enables a variety of applications, including name and number and team logos. Also, when talking about versatility, it's important to mention that the Atlas MAX Poly comes with integrated XDI and Neon applications. Neon applications provide more than 50% wider gamut. XDI technology enables creating premium 3D applications and can also simulate traditional analog designs such as vinyl and embroidery. Neon and XDI applications are available through the system's built-in setups, which don't require any graphic designer's intervention. The operator simply runs the required application, so no special workflow or training is required. Finally, the third pillar of our value proposition is cost effectiveness. the Atlas MAX Poly undoubtedly provides best-in-class TCO. With a high system availability of over 90%, a single-step printing process, and a single operator, you can confidently say it's a winner. Back this up by telling your customers that an operator can be trained within 2 hours and print up to 90 garments per hour. When talking about cost per print, please refer to the product presentation that shows 3 common designs and Atlas MAX Poly cost per print versus competing solutions. Today, to scale up and handle all common designs and applications, our customers must own and operate multiple types of printing equipment, also involving complex operations. Having a single system enables greater flexibility in managing workforce and raw materials to support changing business environments. The Atlas MAX Poly is a one-stop shop that allows printing any type of design without operating large fleets of different equipment units. We know that existing polyester printing technologies are labor-intensive, so generating profitability from short runs and one-offs is a real challenge. Moreover, some technologies are costly regardless of run lengths and deliver poor TCO. With the Atlas MAX Poly, customers can achieve an ROI of 13 months, assuming roughly 75% capacity utilization and a revenue of $9 per impression. For more details, please refer to the product presentation. Another incentive to mention is that as part of Kornit's MAX family, customers can join our activewear-oriented global fulfillment network to reach additional markets and unlock new revenue streams. Now, just before closing, let's review some questions you may be confronted with. If asked about the price of the system and consumables, you should emphasize that the Atlas MAX Poly has capabilities which no other technology in the marketplace has, and the TCO for players with high volume is outstanding. You may also be asked about the system-specific benefits versus screen printing. Here, talk about reaching profitability even in short runs, such as 50 pieces or less. Also mention the fact that there is no limitation regarding supported designs or number of colors per design and a better hand feel. Sustainability is also important to indicate, as screen printing is not a sustainable process. Tell your customers that like any other MAX system, the Atlas MAX Poly leverages a one-step, fully sustainable process without the need for pre-treatment. Our consumables are water-based, the entire process consumes minimal amounts of water, and the system is CO2 balanced, as Kornit is planting trees to offset CO2 emissions. Many customers are also looking for a system that supports cotton-based garments. You should say that while this system was developed to print on polyester, it also provides amazing quality on cotton. However, since the consumables are more expensive than for the Atlas MAX, make sure to distinguish between customers who print mostly on cotton, for them this system is less suitable, and those who print mainly on polyester. Some prospects may also ask you about direct-to-film printing, or DTF. This is a relatively new semi-digital technology which is recently gaining traction. In such cases, mention that the Atlas MAX Poly print quality is much better in terms of color gamut, hand feel, and color vividness. Also, DTF lines would be based on multiple labor-intensive steps, requiring 2 or 3 operators, so it's challenging and costly to scale up. This was just an overview of the sales pitch for Atlas MAX Poly. For detailed pricing, contract and service terms, please refer to the Sales Tools and KISS. For learning more, check out the online course in the Kornit Online Academy. Let's take polyester production to the big league and transform the activewear market.